Happy birthday, Chloe!
We love you!
We're here to celebrate with you the first birthday of our birthday girl, Chloe Nathalie!
Medyo madaming nabago sa buhay namin mag-asawa simula nung dumating si baby. Yung oras namin, napunta na halos lahat sa kanya. Dati kasi parang mag-asawa lang kami, parang solo lang namin yung oras namin. Ngayon, yung oras namin halos lahat nakapokus na sa kanya.
Anything can happen now. Anything can happen. Anything is possible.
Happy birthday, my baby! Wish ko sa'yo, sana lumaki ka ng in good health. Lagi nandito si Tinang para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka ni Tinang. Happy birthday!
I feel alive. With open hands, open eyes.
Si Chloe Nathalie, sobrang grabe siya sumimangat, pero pag nag-smile naman, hindi matigil. Hanggang sa madurog na yung ngipin niya, kakaganon niya. Grabe siya mag-smile. Tapos pag nagtayo din siya, grabe. Pero pag talagang nilaro mo siya at nakuha mo yung loob niya, sobrang nakakatuwa sa puso, nakakawala ng pagod kahit nakakapagod siya alagaan.
Anything can happen now. Anything can happen. Anything is possible. Anything can happen.
Happy birthday, Nat! Sana lumaki ka ng malusog at mabait. Yun lang. Kita is always here. I love you.
I feel alive. I feel alive, feel alive, feel alive. For the very first.
Happy birthday, Chloe Nathalie. Samahan ka ng Diyos simula ngayon hanggang sa iyong paglaki at pagtanda. Gabayan ka at pagpalain ng ating Panginoon.
Anything can
Happy birthday, anak. Super love ka ni Mami. Sana lumaki kang mabait, may takot sa Diyos, at maging malusog lang palagi.
happen now. Anything can happen.
Happy birthday, Chloe Nathalie! We love you!
Happy birthday, Natalie! We pray for you that you will become successful in life. We pray na lumaki kang mabait, matalino, masunurin sa mga magulang mo. At yun lang. We love you. God bless you.
Yes, these are the good times.
Sana lumaki ka ng malusog at marami pang birthday ang dumating sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Chloe! Sana lumaki kang masiyahing bata. Madaming nagmamahal sa'yo, madami kaming tita mong mag-i-spoil sa'yo. Yun lang.
Yeah, our love will lead the way. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sana ma-feel niya yung sobrang pagmamahal namin sa kanyang lahat, gagawin namin lahat para lang mabigay sa kanya lahat ng kaya namin. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Chloe! I love you!
Yes, these are the good times. Hey.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you our birthday girl, Chloe Natalie!
Yes, these are the good times. And we're feeling alright.
Happy birthday, Chloe! We love you!